Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sakshi Kadam, and I'm delighted to welcome you all for the session one of presentation. The topic is Introduction to AI in Finance. Today, we are going to explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the world of finance, from investment strategies and risk management to robot advisor and sentiment analysis. With the power of AI, finance is becoming more data driven, efficient, and predictive than ever before. I look forward to sharing the key insight with you all and helping you understand how AI is not just the future, it is already shaping the way financial decisions and are made today. So let's get started. So the first slide is introduction to AI and what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science or creating machine and system capable of performing tasks that are typically required human intelligence. These tasks include learning and reasoning, problem solving, understanding language, and recognizing patterns. AI enables machines to think logical and make decisions, learn from the data and experience. Machine learning, understanding the human language, which is natural language processing. See and interpret images is that is computer vision, and interact with the user via chatbots or voice assist. So there are two broad types of AI, which is narrow AI and general AI. So what is narrow AI? It is a design for specific tasks. For example, spam filters, recommendation engines, and general AI, which is hypothetically systems which human-like intelligence across all tasks, not yet developed. It is not yet developed. So today, AI power main real-world applications such as virtual assistant, for example, Siri, Alexa, fraud detection in finance, personalized ads and content, autonomous vehicles. So AI continues to grow, offering vast potential in industries like healthcare, education, manufacturing, and especially finance, where it supports forecasting, risk analysis, and algorithm trading. So the core function of artificial intelligence, the first is learning. AI systems learn from data, experience, and feedback to improve performance over time. This includes machine learning and deep learning techniques. The second is reasoning. AI can make logical decisions by analyzing data, identifying patterns, and choosing the best course of action. The third is problem solving. Problem solving AI solves the complex problems efficiently, often faster than humans, using algorithms and optimization methods. The fourth is perception. Through sensors and technology like computer vision and speech recognition, AI can interpret the world, seeing, hearing, and understanding inputs. The fifth one is interaction. The AI interacts with humans through natural language like chatbots or voice assistant, enabling user-friendly communication. So the subfield of artificial intelligence is machine learning first. The function of machine learning is to enable the system to learn from the data and make prediction. For example, like credit card fraud detection, stock price prediction, and etc. The second one is natural language processing and NLP. The function of NLP is allows the machine to understand and respond to the human language. For example, chatbot like ChatGPT, voice assistant like Siri and Alexa. The third one is computer vision. The function enables system to interpret visual information like images or videos. For example, facial recognition in smartphones, object detection in self-driving cars. The fourth one is system expert. Function of the expert systems is uses a database of expert knowledge to solve specific problem. For example, medical diagnosis tools such as IBM, Watson for oncology. The fifth one is robotics. Function of robotics is combines AI with mechanical devices to perform physical tasks. For example, industrial robots in manufacturing, robots using surgical procedure. So why the AI matters in finance? The AI is transforming the industrial financial industry by making processes faster, safer, and more intelligent. So the first is automation. The AI automates repetitive tasks like data entry, transaction processing, and compliance check, and this reduces the errors and save times and lower cost. The robo advisor are also provided automated investment advice, making wealth management easier and more accessible. Analysis, risk analysis analyzes the vast amount of data to predict the market trend, access credit risk, and manage the operational risk for accurately. This is the financial institute, make better lending and investment decision. The third is fraud detection. AI monitors transaction in real time to spot suspicious activities. Its adaptive learning improves the fraud detection and as a new threat emerging, protecting both customer and institution. Customer support. AI-powered chatbot and virtual assistant offer 24/7 help, quickly answering queries and providing personalized financial guidance, enhancing customer satisfaction. The last one is smarter decision making. AI processes large data set to generate insight for traders and managers, enabling faster and more informed decision. It also supports algorithm trading and stress testing to prepare for the market challenges. So in short, the AI boosts efficiency, security, and customer experience, making it essential for the modern finance. So the next slide is for the evolution and history of AI. In 1950, the birth of AI, it was introduced the idea of machine learning, machine intelligence. In 1956, the Dartmouth Conference officially launched AI as a field. Uh, and later in 1960, symbolic AI, early program could solve problems using logic and rules. ELIZA, an early chatbot, was developed. In 1970, first AI winter, progress slowed due to the high expectation and limited technology. In 1980s, expert systems, AI regained interest with rule-based expert systems like MYCIN, built a high cost led to another slowdown. In 1990s, machine learning focus shifted to data-driven learning. IBM Deep Blue beat chess champion in 1997. In 2000 big data era, internet and data growth along with the faster computers helped AI expand in real application. And in 2010, deep learning boom, natural neural network transformed image and language tasks. AI became a part of an assistant like Siri and Alexa. And now in 2000s, generative AI and real use. Tools like ChatGPT and emerged. AI is now used widely in finance, healthcare, and more. So the next slide is talks about AI versus machine learning versus deep learning. So the AI, artificial intelligence, the broad field of creating machines that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence like reasoning, decision making, problem solving, example chatbots, smart assistants. What is machine learning? A subset of machine learning is a subset of AI where machine learn patterns from data and improve automatically without explicit programming. For example, spam filters, recommendation systems. Deep learning. What is deep learning? A deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning using deep neural network with many layer of analyze complex data like image, speech, and text. For example, voice assistance, image recognition. The next slide talks about personalized banking with AI. Personalized banking with AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming banking by enabling higher personalized experience tailored to each customer unique financial profile, preferences, and behavior. This personalization improves customer satisfaction, loyalty, and financial outcomes. The first personalized banking is customized financial advice. AI analyzes customer transaction history, spending patterns, and saving goals to offer a personalized budgeting tips, investment recommendation, and loan option. This helps the customer make smarter financial decisions based on their real-time financial situation. The second is targeted product recommendation. Using AI-driven analytics, banks can segment customer and deliver relevant offer such as credit card, mortgage, or insurance plan suited to individual needs. This targeted market reduces the irrelevant offers and increases the product uptake. Enhance customer support. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide instant personalized help around the clock. They answer queries, guide customers through complex processes like loan application, and resolve issues efficiently without human intervention. Fraud detection and security. AI monitors the customer transaction pattern to detect anomalies that could indicate fraud. Personalized fraud alerts and security measures help to protect the customer proactively by uh, flagging the suspicious activity in real time. And the last is improved user experience. Personalized, powered by AI, creates seamless, intuitive banking interaction across channel, mobile apps, website, and call centers, making banking more convenient and user friendly. So the next, let's talk about narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Narrow AI is known as a weak AI. The definition of narrow AI is AI designed to perform a task, uh, and its capabilities is to operate within a limited scope, cannot perform tasks outside programming. For example, Siri, Alexa, Google Maps, facial recognition, spam filters. So the current status of narrow AI is widely used in today's various industries. Second is general AI, which is strong AI. It is called as a strong AI. The definition of general AI is the AI with the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks like a human. The capability of AI, general AI, is can think, reason, and solve problems in unfamiliar situations. For example, still theoretical, no real-world implementation yet. Their goal is to build machines that match to or exceed human cognitive ability. Super AI. The definition of super AI is hypothetical that uh, surpasses the human intelligence in all aspects. Their capabilities it can perform tasks beyond human capability, including creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence. For example, not yet developed a future concept. Risk it is a potential ethical and control concern. Uh, the, th- the next slide is key AI technologies overview. The first one is machine learning. So machine learning enables systems to learn from the data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. Used in fraud detection, recommendation system, predictive analysis. The second one is deep learning, a subset of machine learning using neural networks with multiple layers to process complex data. Used in image and speech recognition autonomous vehicle. The third one is natural learning processing NLP. It enables the machine to understand, interpret, and generate human language used in chatbot, transaction tools, sentiment analysis. The next is RPA, which is robotic process automation. The robotic process automation combines AI with mechanical system to perform tasks autonomously. Used in manufacturing, healthcare, and service industry. The fifth one is predictive analysis. uses AI to analyze the past data and forecast the future trends or events. For example, predicting loan default, stock movement, or customer behavior. And the last one is expert system. The AI system that mimic the decision-making ability of human experts used in diagnosis systems, legal reasoning, and finance advisory tools. So the next slide is why AI matters in digital age. So the AI driven the automation, efficiency, and smart decision making. It is a process of vast data at a scale for faster financial insight, which enhance the customer experience to personalization and competitiveness in digital first economy. The automation and efficiency. AI handles the repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing error. The smart decision making, it processes large data sets quickly to provide accurate financial insight. Personalized experience in which AI customizes the services based on the individual behavior and preferences. And the competitive edge in the digital first economy, AI is a key to staying innovative and relevant. So why AI matters in digital age? It is a automation, efficiency, and decision making. It processes vast data in scale for faster insight. So the AI automate tasks, boost efficient, and enables the smarter decision. It processes the large data quickly for faster financial insight. AI personalize the customer experience to increase satisfaction, and it is vital for staying competitive in today's digital economy. So next slide talks about industries transformed by AI. So there are the industry transformed by AI are finance, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, transportation, and education. So in finance, the AI is power the fraud detection and personalized investing. For example, JP Morgan's Chases uses AI for fraud and contract analysis. In healthcare, the AI aids diagnosis and treatment planning. For example, IBM Watson helps the doctor with medical insights. The third is retail. In retail, AI-driven recommendation and customer support. For example, Amazon offers personalized shopping suggestions. The fourth is manufacturing. AI enables predictive equipment failures. For example, Simon, uh, Siemens uses AI to predict the equipment failure. Transportation, AI supports autonomous driving and route optimization. For example, Tesla develops self-driving car. The next is telecom. AI improves the customer service and network management. For example, Vodafone uses AI chatbots for support. Education. In education, AI personalized learning and automates grading. For example, Duolingo customized language lessons. And the last is agriculture. The AI improves crop monitoring and integration. For example, it integrates AI in farming machines. So the next slide talks about relevance of AI in financial services. Uh, it enhances the efficiency and accuracy in financial operation, power personalized customized customer experience and insight, automates fraud detection and compliance tasks, and enables the smarter investment and risk management decisions. The automation of routine tasks. AI automates the process like data entry, loan processing, and compliance checks, reducing error and saving time. The risk management in AI models analyze the vast data to identify and mitigate the credit market and operational risk. Fraud detection. AI detects unusual patterns in transactions, preventing fraud in real time. Personalized customer experience. AI tailors the banking product, investment, and advise the customer support to individual needs. Investment and trading. AI-driven algorithm optimize the portfolio management and execute high-frequency trades. And the last second is regulatory compliance. AI helps institution monitor regulatory changes and ensures adherence, minimizing the penalties. Cost efficiency by automating and optimizing processes. AI reduces operational costs for financial institutions. So the second is AI technology and techniques. So in AI technology and techniques, the machine learning in financial application. So application of machine learning in finance is credit risk assessment, fraud detection, algorithm trading, customer segmentation and personalization, portfolio management, and regulatory compliance. So let's understand the application of machine learning in finance. The first is credit risk assessment. In machine learning, models analyze historical borrower data to predict likelihood of default, enabling better lending decisions. Fraud detection. Machine learning algorithms detect unusual transaction patterns in real time, helping to prevent fraudulent activities. Algorithmic trading. Machine learning systems analyze data to execute the trade, automatically optimizing the investment strategies for higher returns. Customer segmentation and personalization. Machine learning helps the bank understand the customer behavior and tailor products, marketing, and services accordingly. The fifth is portfolio management. In machine learning models assist in balancing portfolios by predicting asset performance and market trends. The last one is regulatory compliance. Machine learning tool monitor transaction and communication to detect the compliance breaches and reduce the risk. Let's move to the next slide. The next slide talks about supervised learning uses use cases in finance. The the trains on label data to identify the pattern and make prediction. Credit scoring assesses the risk of loan applicants. Fraud detection classifies transaction as a fraud or legitimate. Um, Customer behavior prediction forecast purchasing habits of the customer to increase the stock of the market. The second is stock market forecasting, predict price movement and trends. The last is loan default prediction, which estimates the likelihood of the borrower defaulting. Next is unsupervised learning, clustering clients. So the unsupervised is unlabeled data to find the hidden pattern of grouping, help segment based on the behavior, risk level, or demographic. The common technique is K-means hierarchical clustering. It enables the personalized marketing, product recommendation, and risk profiling, supports better decision making without prior labeling of data. Unsupervised learning analyzes unlabeled data to find the hidden pattern without predefined customers, and clustering groups client based on the similarities in behavior is demographic or financial profiles. Application in finance is customer segmentation, groups client by spending habit or risk profiles for targeted marketing, fraud detection to identify the unusual client cluster that may indicate fraud, product recommendation tailor the financial product based on the cluster characteristics, and the risk management assesses risk by grouping clients with similar credit worthiness. So the next slide is reinforcement learning for trading booth. Uh, it learns the optimal trading strategies through trial and error. interact with the market environments to maximize the reward, to adapt dynamic market condition, which is and suitable for high frequency and algorithm trading, uses feedback loop to improve the performance over time. So the key concept of reinforcement learning for trading booth is agent, the trading booth that makes decision to buy, sell, and hold. The environment of the financial market is including price movement, volumes, and other indicators. Action, the choice the booth makes at any time, such as buying and selling a stock. Reward, a feedback that a booth receives after an action such as profit, positive reward, or loss, negative reward. Policy, the strategy the board follow to decide which action to be taken based on the market data. Exploration was exploration versus exploitation. The board balances trying new action to discover better strategies. Exploration and using known strategy that work well is exploitation. The real world example of reinforcement learning from trading route is deep minding. Deep mind. Researchers have used reinforcement learning to build models that predict market trends and optimize their trading strategies. Hedge funds, many quantitative hedge funds apply reinforcement learning algorithm to create adaptive trading booths that improve with experience. The third example is startups. The companies like uh, develop a reinforcement learning power system for automated trading and portfolio management. So the next slide is about deep learning for fraud detection. Deep learning uses advanced neural networks to detect the complex fraud patterns in large transaction data. It identifies the unusual behavior and flags suspicious activity in real time, improving accuracy and reducing false alarm. Companies like PayPal, Mastercard, HSBC uses deep learning to protect the customer and prevent fraud effectively. So the next slide is about natural language processing (NLP) in finance. The NLP extracts the insights from the unstructured text like news, feelings, and social media. It is used in sentiment analysis to graph the market sentiment and inform trading, which automates the document processing such as loan agreement and compliance report, which enhance the chatbots and virtual assistant for financial customer services, and it helps in fraud detection by analyzing text pattern in in their communication. So natural language processing helps to compute the understanding and analyze the human language. In finance, it is used for sentiment analysis of news and social media, automating customer support with chatbots, processing documents, managing risk, detecting fraud. Companies like Bloomberg, JP Morgan Chase, and IBM Watson uses NLP to improve the efficiency and decision making. Next slide is robotic process automation (RPA) in finance, which automates the repetitive financial tasks like data entry, reconciliation, and reporting, increases the accuracy and efficiency in back office operation, reduce the operation cost and manual error, enhance the compliance by maintaining audit trials, and frees human employee for higher value financial analysis work. So robotic processing automation (RPA) in finance automates routine and repetitive tasks like data entry, invoice processing, and reconciliation using software boosts. It improves efficiency, reduces errors, and cut costs, helping the financial institutes streamline their operation and focus on higher value work. So the next slide is about expert system in financial analysis. It is an AI program based on rules and logic to stimulate the expert decision applied in role underwriting, financial diagnosis, and regulatory compliance, which offers a consistent analysis and reduce the dependency on human expertise. Uses it in evaluating the investment option and portfolio strategies, helping in enforcing policies and detecting irregularities, neural networks, basic and financial uses. The expert systems uses AI to mimic financial experts by applying rules and knowledge to analyze the data and provide advice. They help assess the credit risk, guide investment, detect fraud, and plan finance efficiently. For example, FICO's credit scoring system uses expert rules to evaluate borrower creditworthiness, helping banks decide on loan approval. The next slide is about predictive analysis in forecasting, which uses the historical data and statistical models to predict the future financial trends. It helps to forecast the stock price, market demand, economic indicator. Applies in machine learning to improve the prediction accuracy over time and support risk management by anticipating potential financial loss, enabling proactive investment and resource allocation decisions. Predictive analysis in forecasting uses the statistical model and machine learning algorithm to analyze the historical data and predict the future outcomes. In finance, it helps the forecast trends like stock price, customer behavior, and market demand, and enabling the better decision making. For example, a bank uses predictive analysis to forecast which customers are likely to default on loans by analyzing the past loan performance, income, and payment behavior. The model predicts the risk level and helping the bank manage credit more efficiently. The second slide is AI versus traditional financial models. So the traditional financial models rely on fixed formulas, statistical method, and historical assumption to analyze data and make prediction. They often require manual input and are limited by linear or static relationship. AI model use machine learning to learn patterns from large complex data set automatically. AI can adapt to change the market condition and uncover the non-linear relationship that traditional model might miss. AI models improve the continuous more with more data, offering higher accuracy and better risk management. However, AI model can be less transparent, leading to challenges in explainability compared to the traditional models. So, what is other in traditional model? Traditional financial model rely on explicit mathematical formulas which has historical data and predetermined assumptions to analyze the financial outcomes. These models often use the linear relationship and fixed parameter to forecast the variables such as stock price, interest rate, or company valuation. Artificial intelligence AI models, on the other hand, uses algorithm that can learn from the data, identify complex non-linear pattern, and adapt over time. AI model, artificial intelligence model incorporate with machine learning, deep learning, and other advanced techniques to process the large volume of data, including unstructured data, improving prediction accuracy and decision making. Let's see the examples for traditional model is the discounted cash flow DCF model values companies by projecting future cash flows and discounting them back to the present value using the fixed assumption like growth rates and discount rates. The example of AI artificial agent intelligence model is a machine learning model uses historical stock price, news sentiment, social media trends, and macroeconomic indicator to predict the stock movement more dynamically and accurately. Role of data science in finance. The role of data science in finance is it extracts the actionable insight from vast financial data, combines the statistical analysis, machine learning, and data visualization, support risk assessment, fraud detection, and customer segmentation, enhance decision making in investment, credit scoring, and portfolio management, enabling the predictive analytics for market trend for forecasting and operational efficiency. So the data science combines the statistics, programming, and domain expertise to extract the insight from large and complex data sets. In finance, data science transforms raw financial data into a valuable information for better decision making, risk management, customer services, and regulatory compliance. Let's see the real world example. Is JP Morgan chases a leverage data science to enhance the risk management by analyzing vast amount of transaction and market data. Their model identify credit risk and optimizing portfolio management, reducing potential losses and improving the investment decision. The next slide is real-time data and AI integration in finance. The real-time data and AI integration is a NAR combines streaming financial data with AI models for instant analysis, enables immediate risk assessment and fraud detection, support a high frequency trading by processing live market information, enhance customer experience through real-time personalized offer, and facilitate the dynamic portfolio adjustment based on the current data. So the real-time data refers to the information that is collected and processed instantly as event happens, enabling the immediate analysis and action. When combined with the intelligence, this allows the financial institute to make a rapid, informed decisions, improving the efficiency, customer experience, and risk management. For example, Sachs uses real-time data integrated with AI to power its trading platforms. The AI continuously analyzes the market fluctuations, sentiments, and economic indicator to make split second trading decisions by improving the profitability and reducing the risk. Financial API and AI tools. API provide standardization, standardized access to finance and services. They enable the integration of AI-powered features into apps and platforms, support real-time data retrieval for trading, risk management, and analytics. Popular AI tools including IBM Watson and Azure AI facilitate rapid AI model deployed and scaling in financial environment. The financial API is let apps access the real-time financial data like stock price and bank transaction. AI tools analyze the data to automate the trading, detect fraud, manage risk, and personalize services. Together, they help the build smarter, faster, and financial applications. For example, Plaid API for bank data access, uh, Alpaca API for algorithmic trading, IBM Watson for AI-powered analytics. The next is generative AI in finance. Generative AI in finance uses a model to create a financial content such as report, forecast, and market analysis, which automates the report generation to save time and reduce error, enhance decision making by stimulating the different market scenarios, assist in creating synthetic data for training, AI model when real data is scarce, power chatbots and virtual assistant with more natural and context-aware responses. Generative AI in finance creates like new content like text, image, or data based on learning from existing financial data. In finance, it is used to generate reports, stimulate market scenario, automate customer interaction, and create a personalized investment advice. For example, bank uses generative AI chatbots to answer the customer queries instantly, and it generates the financial summarizes and creates a tailored portfolio recommendation. The next is AI application. So the next is AI application in banking. The first is AI in retail banking. Personalized services which AI tailors offers and insight based on the user behavior. Fraud prevention detects the suspicious transaction in real time. Chatbots offers a 24/7 customer support using a natural language. And credit scoring analyzes the alternative data for loan approval. Operational efficiency automates the KYC, onboarding, and compliance tasks. Predictive analysis forecasts customer needs and behavior. AI in retail banking, AI helps in retail banking, automates the customer service, detects fraud, personalized product offers, and improves the credit risk assessment to enhance the customer experience and operational efficiency. For example, banks uses AI-powered chatbot to provide 24/7 customer support and recommend the personalized loan or credit card offers based on the customer data. AI for credit scoring. So the AI automates the credit scoring by analyzing a borrower's financial behavior, payment history, and alternative data, for example, utility bills, mobile usage. It improves the accuracy, reduces the human bias, and allows the lenders to access the credit worthiness faster, even for customer without traditional credit history. AI analyzes a borrower financial data, transaction history, and other factors to predict the credit worthiness and more accurately than traditional method. It helps the lenders to make faster, fairer, and loan decisions and reduce the default. For example, FICO uh, uses AI-powered models to assess the credit risk by evaluating vast amount of data, by improving loan approval accuracy and minimizing the risk for banks. Fraud detection. AI-powered fraud detection system monitors financial transactions in real time to identify unusual or suspicious patterns using machine learning and deep learning algorithms. These systems can detect anomalies that indicate the fraud, such as abnormal spending behavior or login attempts. They help to reduce the financial losses, improve risk control, and minimize the false positive, allowing for faster and more accurate response to the fraud. So the fraud detection uses AI and data analytics to identify the and prevent unauthorized and suspicious financial activities, which they analyze the transaction patterns, user behavior, and anomalies in real time to quick flag for a potential fraud. For example, Visa's fraud detection system. In Visa's fraud detection system monitors millions of transactions per second, instantly spotting unusual activity like sudden large purchases or transactions from unfamiliar location or and blocking them to protect the customer. The next slide is about chatbots and virtual banking assistants. Chatbots, AI-powered chatbots provide 24/7 support via text or voice. which handles queries on account balances, transaction, service instantly, reduce workload on human agents, lowering the operational cost, improve the user experience with fast, accurate, and personalized responses, integrate with mobile apps and websites to enhance the digital banking. The chatbot and virtual banking assistant use AI and natural language processing to interact with the customers via text or voice. They handle the routine banking tasks like checking balances, transferring funds, answering queries, and providing personalized financial advice, improving customer service and reducing the cost. For example, Bank of America's Erica is a virtual assistant that helps the customer manage their accounts, pay bills, and get the financial insight through a conversational interface on mobile app. CRM, the CRM systems with AI. The CRM is customer relationship management. In AI-powered customer relationship management, the CRM system uses machine learning and data analytics to better understand the customer behavior, predict needs, personalize interaction, and automate the communication. This improves the customer satisfaction, increases sales opportunity, and enhances loyalty. The CRM systems with AI uses the artificial intelligence to analyze the customer data, predict needs, automate tasks, and personalize interaction. This helps the businesses improve the customer relationship, boost sales, and enhance service efficiency. For example, Force, Salesforce AI tools provides the sales prediction, recommends the next best action, and automates the customer support to help the companies engage better with their clients. Next is KYC, Know Your Customer Automation. Artificial intelligence automates the identity verification using facial recognition and document scanning, which speeds up the onboarding processes while reducing the human error, enhance the compliance with the regulatory norms, and reduces the financial crime risk, integrates the with database and to cross verify the customer information in real time. Know Your Customer automation uses AI and digital tools to streamline the processes of verifying the customer identities. It reduces the manual work, speeds up the onboarding, and improves the accuracy by automatically checking the documents, detecting fraud, and validating the data in real time. For example, bank uses KYC automation to instantly verify customer IDs through facial recognition and document scanning apps, making account opening faster and more secure. Next is anti-money laundering using AI, which is AML. Anti-money laundering AI using AI detects suspicious transaction using real-time monitoring and anomaly detection. It reduces false alert by learning from historical data. Machine learning identifies the hidden laundering pattern that traditional system miss, speeds up the investigation and improves the regulatory compliance, enhance the financial security while cutting operational costs. Uh, AI helps to detect the suspicious financial activities by analyzing large volumes of transaction data to identify the unusual pattern and flag potential money laundering in real time. This improves the accuracy and speeds up the compliance efforts. For example, banks use AI system to monitor continuously and automatically alert compliance teams when they detect behavior with structuring deposit to avoid the reporting or transfer to the high risk country. The next slide is about AI in risk management. AI analyzes the large data set to identify the excess and predict the financial risk. It automates the risk monitoring and provides a real-time alert on potential threats. Machine learning model improves the accuracy in credit risk, market risk, and operational risk evaluation. Helps banks and financial firms make proactive decisions to minimize the losses and enhance the regulatory compliance and stress testing capabilities. AI helps the financial institution identify and manage the risk by analyzing the large data set quickly and accurately. It predicts the credit defaults, monitor market fluctuation, and, and detects the fraudulent activities to reduce losses. For example, banks uses AI models to assess the loan applicant credit worthiness by analyzing their financial behavior and enabling the faster and more accurate lending decisions. The next slide is about smart ATM powered by AI. Smart ATMs powered by AI is AI enables the ATM offered advanced features beyond the cash withdrawal like facial recognition and voice command. They can detect the fraud and suspicious behavior in real time. Eight, smart ATMs personalize services based on the customer data and transaction history. They reduce the need for bank staff by automating the complex transactions, improves customer convenience with faster, secure, and more interactive experience. Smart ATMs uses AI technologies like facial recognition, as mentioned, voice commands, and data analytics to offer an enhanced security and personalized services. They also detect fraud, provide customer transaction option, and improve your user experience without needing bank staff. For example, HSBC's smart ATMs uses AI-based facial recognition to authenticate the customer quickly and securely, allowing faster withdrawals and personalized banking services. Digital wallet with AI features. Digital wallets AI enhanced digital wallets by providing personalized spending insights and budgeting tips. It improves security through biometric authentication and fraud detection. AI can offer smart recommendation for payments, offer and rewards. Enables faster, seamless transaction using voice or facial recognition. Helps to detect the prevent an unauthorized access in real time. Digital wallets use AI to enhance security, personalize user experience, and detect fraud. AI analyzes the spending pattern to offer smart budgeting tips and instantly flag suspicious transactions for protection. For example, Apple Pay uses AI to monitor transactions for fraud and provides personalized spending insight to help user manage their finance better. Next is AI in core banking platforms. AI automates and optimizes the core banking processes like account management, transaction processing, and compliance. Enhance the decision making by analyzing large volume of data in real time, improves the operational efficiency, and reduces the error through intelligent automation. Support personalized product offering based on the customer behavior insight. Enable seamless integration of new digital services and faster response to the market changes. AI enhance the core banking by automating the routine tasks, improving data analysis, and personalized customer services. It helps the bank process the transaction faster, detect fraud, and offer tailored financial products. For example, Fargo uses AI within its core banking systems to automate the loan approvals and provide personalized customer recommendation, improving the efficiency and user experience. The next is robo advisory in wealth management. Robo advisory are AI powered platform. It uses an algorithm to provide the automated personalized investment and advise a portfolio management. They analyze the uh, they analyze the customer goals, risk tolerance, and data market to recommend investment strategies. Offer low cost, accessible wealth management. Uh, uh, offer low cost, accessible wealth management services without the need for human advisor. Provide continuous portfolio monitoring and automatic rebalancing to optimize the returns. Help the democratize investment opportunity for retail investor. So the definition for robo advisory are digital platform that provide automated and algorithm driven financial planning and investment management services with little to no human supervision. These tools are increasingly used in wealth management to make investing more accessible, affordable, and efficient. So, how robo advisory works in client onboarding? First is client onboarding. User find out and outline questionnaire about their financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon and income. Second is portfolio construction. Based on the user input, the robo advisory use the algorithm to create a personalized investment portfolio using compromising ETFs or mutual funds. Third is automatic rebalancing. The platform periodically adjusts the portfolios to maintain the target asset allocation as market fluctuates. Fourth is tax optimization. So, some robo-advisors offer tax loss harvesting to help reduce the tax liability. Fifth, the performing monitoring. The portfolio is monitored 24 by 7 using AI and data analytics to ensure the alignment with client and goals. The benefit of wealth management is first is low cost. Fees are typically lower than the traditional financial advisor, which is 0.25% to 0.50% AUM. Accessibility enables small investor to start investing with low minimum capital. The third is efficiency, uh, fast onboarding and automated portfolio management save time and reduce error. Transparency, clients can view the portfolio perform and allocate in real time. Personalization, AI trailer advice to individual financial profile and goals. Limitation, the limitation is limited human interaction. May not suit client who prefer personalized guidance or have a complex financial needs. Algorithm biases, outcomes are only as good as algorithms and data behind them. Market volatility responses, some platform may not react well to unpredictable market crises without human oversight. So the popular robo advisory globally are Betterment in USA, Wealthfront in USA, Nutmeg in UK, Grow IND Money in India. So the future trends of robo advisory in wealth management is to integration with AI, which is artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing for enhanced customer experience. Use of hybrid models that combines human advisory and robo advisory tools. Expansion into a retirement planning, insurance, and estate planning. For example, the Betterment is a popular robo-advisor that creates the manage a diversified investment portfolio tailored to individual investor profiles using AI algorithms. So the next is AI in customer service operation. So the AI definition of AI in customer service refers to the use of intelligence technologies like chatbot, natural language processing, and NLP, machine learning, ML, and predictive analysis to automate and improve the customer interaction and support services. The key application of AI in customer service operation is AI chatbots and virtual assistants, which provide instant responses 24/7 to FAQs and common customer queries, can handle multiple languages and thousands of queries simultaneously. For example, ChatGPT, Drift, Google Dialogflow, and Haptic. Natural language processing (NLP) understand and processes human language in text or speech form, and it enables the sentiment analysis, intent recognition, and smart routing of queries to agents. Third is automated ticketing system. AI automatically categorize, prioritize rules customer issue to the right support agent, which reduces manual workload and improve responses time. The fourth is sentiment analysis. AI analyze the tone and emotion in the customer message or email, chat, or call, which helps the agent to better understand the customer mood and urgency. Fifth is voice AI and speech recognition. Converts a voice calls into a text and analyze the keyword, compliance, or emotional causes. Uh, used in IVR, which is interactive voice responses system, to resolve the issues without human agent. And the last one is customer insight and personalization. AI analyzes the data to understand the preferences and behavior, and delivers personalized support and recommendation or support responses. The benefit of AI in customer service operation is it is 24/7 availability, always on service, improves the customer satisfaction, cost efficient, reduce the need for the large support team, speed, scalability, handles thousands of queries at once with minimal delay, accuracy, reduce the human error in responses, data-driven decision, offers valuable insight from the customer data and interaction. The challenges which AI in customer service operation faces is the lack of human touch. Some customers still prefer human interaction for complex issues. Uh, Second is language and context limitation. AI may misinterpret sarcasm, idioms, or unclear language. Third is security and privacy concern. Handling sensitive customer data require robust protection. The real world example of AI in customer service operation is Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant handles voice-based customer support. Swiggy and Zomato, which uses the AI boots for order tracking and complaint resolving. SDFC Bank EVA chatbot answering related queries instantly. The future trend, let's see, is more emotional AI for empathy based responses, greater use of voice AI and video chatbots, integration with CRM tools for fully automated customer services ecosystems. So the example for Amazon Alexa support is customer services by answering questions, tracking orders, and helping with the written using the natural language processing. So let's see the case study of coined by JP Morgan. The full form of coin is contract intelligence. So let's see the background of the JP Morgan. So the JP Morgan Chase is one of the is one of the world's largest financial institutions, launched coin is which is contract intelligence as a part of its uh, the part of its AI intensive initiatives to automate and improve the legal document review and processes. The platform uses machine learning and natural language processing to interpret and extract the critical data from the legal document. The problem was that it's traditionally reviewing the commercial loan agreement and other legal contract was time consuming. It was time consuming, thousand of hours per day. It was costly, required large legal team, prone to human error, inconsistent due to complexity and variety in legal language. So the coin solution is to automate the contract review. Coin scans and analyzes the legal document using NLP algorithms. It identifies the key clause, for example, uh, renewal, termination, obligation automatically. Second was the data extraction and analysis. It pulls out the structured data from the unstructured legal text, enables faster decision making for compliance, risk assessment, and loan processing. Scalability can review 12,000 plus commercial credit agreement in a second, and a task that took legal teams, which is 360,000 hours annually. The technology used was machine learning for pattern recognizing, then continuous learning, natural language processing to interpret the legal terminology, and cloud infrastructure for data scalability and storage. The impact and benefit of the case study is efficiency gain, 360,000 plus human hours saved annually, speed of operation and loan issuance, cost reduction, reduce the dependency of on external legal service and large internal team. Uh, Accuracy and compliance is minimize the errors in document interpretation, ensures the compliance with legal and regulatory standard, strategic decision making, provides the deeper insight into a contractual risk and obligation. The challenges faced by them is by training the AI to understand the complex and varied legal language, ensuring data security and privacy for sensitive documents, integrating Coin smoothly with JP Morgan JP Morgan legacy system. So the conclusion of the case study is the coin is a powerful example of AI transforming traditional legal and financial operation. It shows how automation not only enhance efficiency and accuracy, but also redefine how financial institution manages the risk and compliance and documentation. So the impact this case study shows that how the AI helps the retail bank like Wells Fargo provide smarter, safer, and more customized banking services, leading to the better customer satisfaction and operation effectiveness. So the next case study is about Wells Fargo predictive banking, with in AI in retail banking. So let's see the overview. The Wells Fargo, a leading American bank, has embraced AI-driven predictive analytics and machine learning to enhance the customer experience, to detect fraud and personalize financial services in retail banking. The problem was the Wells Fargo faced several challenges common to the large retail banking, the which is customer retention issues due to generic service, increasing incident of fraud, growing demand for personalized digital banking experience, massive volumes of customer data that were underutilized. So the AI-powered solution for Wells Fargo implement AI and predictive analysis across the multiple retail banking functions to better understanding and serve these customers. The key application of AI is predictive customer insight. Uses AI to anticipate the customer needs, such as offering loan product or budgeting tools based on spending behavior. For example, predicts when a customer may need overdraft protection or mortgage refinancing. The second is chatbot and virtual assistant, which was launched in 2017. Integrate into a Wells Fargo mobile app, helps users with common banking tasks like checking balances, finding ATMs, and viewing transactions. Continuous learns from the customer interaction to improve the accuracy and usefulness. Fraud detection. AI model analyze the transaction pattern in real time to flag suspicious activity, alerts the customer instantly about the potential fraud using behavioral analytics. The fourth is customer experience personalization. AI financial advice and messages based on the customer segment, send reminders, recommendation, and alert that are tailored to the individual financial goals. The fifth is risk and credit scoring. AI enhance the accuracy of credit scoring by considering more data points than traditional models, allow better risk assessment for even for the client and with limited credit history. Benefit enhance customer engagement, more relevant and timely recommendation, improve the trust and satisfaction through personalized interaction, increase operational efficiency, reduces the workload of human agent by automating the repetitive inquiries, faster onboarding and service delivery. Better fraud prevention, real-time fraud alerts reduce financial losses and improve the security. Data-driven decision making empowers banks and managers and executives with actionable insight. The challenges we faced were the privacy and ethical concern, managing customer data securely with while maintaining transparency in AI decision, legacy system integration, adapting modern AI tools to work with older IT infrastructure, customer trust, ensuring users are comfortable with AI-driven decision making in finance. Conclusion: Wells Fargo uses the AI in retail banking, shows how the traditional bank can transform into a data-driven, customer-focused financial institution by using AI to deliver smarter, faster, and more secure banking services. Wells Fargo has positioned itself as a leader in the future of retail banking. So the next case study is about HDFC Bank EVA, which is AI chatbot, which is ideal for academic presentations or business reports. Case study of HDFC EVA, electronic virtual assistant. Overview: HDFC Bank, one of the India's largest private sector bank, launched EVA, which is Electronic Virtual Assistant, an AI-powered chatbot to provide instant customer support and enhance digital banking services. The objective of EVA is to address the growing volume of customer queries and deliver 24/7 accurate and consistent service without overboarding human customer support teams. The key features of EVA, which was is powered by AI and NLP, which is artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Which was developed by Senseforth AI. EVA uses natural language processing and machine learning to understand the response to user query in real time. Uh, multilingual support. EVA can interact in English and Hindi with plan to add more regional languages. Omni-channel availability. Available across the SDFC website, more banking app and even through WhatsApp and Google Assistant. Instant query resolution. Uh, answers FAQ related to account balance, credit card status, loan and queries, uh, br- branch location, fixed deposit, etc. Achievement and impact. Handles over 5 million queries monthly. Reduces customer wait times drastically. Can respond to more than 20,000 queries across 100 plus banking categories. Speed accuracy. EVA responds in zero point 0.4 seconds on average and within over 85% accuracy. Improves customer satisfaction, provides 24/7 assistance, enhancing user experience and engagement. Reduce operational load, frees up the human agent to handle the more complex and sensitive issues. Scalable infrastructure capable of managing high query volumes using peak times like month end or festivals. Uses exa- use exam use case examples is what is my account balance? How can I block my lost debit card? Where is the nearest HDFC ATM in Pune or etc. Or where are the what are the current FD rates? The challenges is to understand the local accent and slang. NPL, which is natural language processing engine, faces the occasional issue and informal language and regional dialects. Security model concern must safeguard the sensitive customer data and adhere to RBI data compliance guidelines. Continuous learning requirement needs regular update to handle the new banking product, policy changes, and user behavior trends. The conclusion of EVA represents the AI first AI powered banking chatbot and has set the benchmark in automated customer service in the financial sector. HDFC Bank has leveraged AI to increase efficiency, enhance engagement, stay competitive in the digital age, and by integrating EVA into this digital strategy, HDFC has shown how an AI can transform digital from traditional banking to a customer first and intelligent bank. So the highlights were it is multilingual, which supports the both Hindi and English language, which is smart and scalable, which handles over 50,000 plus query, which is managed by 2.7 million queries in just 6 months, which has high accuracy of over 85% accuracy to answer the customer question or query, fast, efficient. It the the query which is responses time is about 8 to 10 minutes to just a second. And self-learning which provides improves the continuous through machine learning. So the impact of EVA significantly enhance the customer service, improve operational efficiency, and demonstrate the AI can personalize and automate the customer interaction in bank. So the next is regulatory sandbox for banking AI. So let's the definition of regulatory sandbox. The regulatory sandbox is a controlled environment set up by a regulator like the Reserve Bank of India, FCA UK, or MAS Singapore, with where fintech companies and banks can test innovative technology, including AI-driven solutions, with real customer under relaxed regulatory oversight. oversight, but within a defined limit. In the context of banking AI, it allows for the safe experiment of AI-based financial product, service, or model before full-scale implementation. The purpose of regulatory sandbox for banking AI is to encourage the innovation, the to support the development of the AI driven services like chatbot, robo advisory, fraud detection system and credit scoring algorithms. Second is risk management, allows the regulatory to study the potential risk posed by AI bias, data privacy, black box decision making in low risk and setup. The third is customer protection. It ensures the new technology are secure, transparent, and ethical before wide rollout. Regulatory learning helps the regulatory understand how to frame new AI-specific guidelines for future financial ecosystem. The key features of regulatory sandbox for AI in banking is time-bound testing. AI solutions are tested over a limited period, typically 3 to 6 months. Limited user bias. Services are launched to a small pre-approval uh, group of customer. Relaxed compliance requirement. Some regulation may be temporarily relaxed. For example, KYC, capital equity normalcy under a close monitoring. Under a close monitoring. Uh, Monitoring and reporting. Companies must report regularly on perform risk and customer feedback. AI uses cases admitted in sandbox is AI-based credit scoring for undeserved population, robo-advisory for wealth management, voice-based banking assistance, AI fraud detection and anti-money laundering system, predictive analytics for loan default and customer churn. For example, India RBI regulatory sandbox, which is 2020 to till present, RBI allows AI and machine learning innovation under its fintech sandbox. Themes include retail payment, cross-border payment, financial inclusion. For example, participant tone tag voice-based payment using AI. UK Financial Conduct Authority FCA, one of the first regulatory to launch a sandbox in 2016, admitted AI firms testing compliance, monitoring AML tools, and personalized financial planning. Singapore Mass Sandbox, MAS Sandbox, the supports AI in fraud prevention, digital identity verification, and wealth tax. Offers Sandbox Express for faster approval. Benefit for regulatory sandbox in AI banking AI is faster innovation cycle, reduces time to market, regulatory clarity, customer trust and safety, global competitiveness for banks and startups. Challenges bias and fairness in AI algorithm, data privacy risk, difficulty in scaling post sandbox, lack of AI specific laws in some countries. The conclusion of the regulatory sandbox is essential to ensure that AI in banking involves a way in that are innovative, safe, and compliant. Evolves in the way that are innovative, safe, and compliant. Creates a bridge between the cut-edge AI solution and responsible banking regulation, encouraging both growth and governance in digital financial era. So the purpose is to encourage safe innovation in AI for banking, to allow the real-time testing for with a limited customer, help regulatory understanding risk and impact before full-scale development deployment. Benefit of work is promote the responsible AI adoption, balance innovation and with customer protection, identify potential regulatory adjustment and needed for emerging technologies. In summary, it is a way to test AI in banking safely and responsibly, ensuring both innovation and compliance. So let's start about the challenges for AI in banking. Despite the increasing adoption for artificial intelligence in banking, several technical, ethical, and regulatory and operational challenges hinder its full-scale implementation. This includes first is data privacy and security concern. Banks handle the sensitive financial and personal data, which makes AI systems prime target for cyber attacks. AI systems require vast data set, erasing the concern over consent management, data misuse, regulatory non-compliance, for example, GDPR, RBI norms. Second is algorithm biases and discrimination. The AI model may unintentionally discriminate against the certain group of trained on biased or incomplete data. For example, AI-driven credit scoring systems may deny the loans to minorities to reserved regions. Lack of transparency in decision making. Black box AI makes this hard to detect or correct. The third is regulatory compliance and challenges. Regulatory compliance and complexity. Current banking regulations are not fully adapted to AI use. Uncertainty around the accountability, who is responsible if an AI system makes a wrong decision. Compliance with KYC, which is know your customer, AML is anti-money laundering, and audit standard becomes as complex when AI is involved. The fourth is integration with legal systems. Most banks still operate an outdated core banking systems, integrating AI tool with legacy infrastructure, which is technical, difficult, time consuming, costly. Fifth is lack of skilled AI professionals or lack of skilled workforce. Storage of for professionals who understand both banking operation and AI and or machine learning technology. Internal resistance from staff due to fear of job loss or lack of AI training. The next is explainability and transparency issues. Many AI models, especially deep learning, are not easily explainable. Regulatory bodies demand explainable AI for fair decision making, especially in credit fraud and compliance. Customer trust and acceptance. Some customers are skeptical about the AI decision in money matters. There is a fear of error without recourse, loss of human touch, and data survival. High initial investment and developing and deploying AI systems requires AI financial investment, longer ROI cycle, and especially difficult for small bank and cooperative institutions. Constant need for model update. AI model need frequent update to stay effective and amid changing customer behavior, market condition, and regulatory requirements. Static or outdated models can lead to the wrong prediction and poor decision. The last one is ethical and legal dilemmas. Who owns the data used for AI training? Should AI be allowed to make autonomous decision in lending or fraud detection? How to ensure AI un, is used responsibly without harming user? So the conclusion is while AI offers a transformational potential in banking, it must be adopted responsibly and strategically. Overcoming these challenges requires a strong regulatory framework, investment in explainable AI, cross-functional collaboration between tech, legal, and financial experts, continuous monitoring and governance. So, well, AI offers many benefit banks and face major challenges in security, cost, and integration. regulation, and fairness, and user acceptance that must be carefully managed. So the next is future of AI in banking. As the financial sector becomes increasing digital, artificial intelligence is set to play a central role in transforming how banks operate, serve customer, and manage risk. The future of AI in banking is driven by the need of hyper-personalized efficiency, regulatory compliance, and security. The first is hyper-personalized banking services. AI will enable individualized financial experience based on the customer behavior, life stage, and preferences. For example, AI-driven personal finance assistant that give a tailor saving plan, investment advice, and loan options. Chatbot and voice assistant will evolve into a intelligent financial advisory. The second is autonomous banking, which is increasing automation of banking processes. AI will automate end-to-end processes like onboarding, credit underwriting, fraud detection, and customer support. Banks will use AI plus RPA, which is robotic process automation, to run many functions without human intervention. For example, loan approved within a minute without any human intervention. Third is advanced fraud detection and cyber security, which is more advanced fraud detection and risk management. Future AI systems will detect the complex fraud patterns using behavioral biometrics, using fingerprinting, and anomaly detection. Real-time threat monitoring will become a self-learning and adaptive to new attack methods. AI will also ensure the compliance with the cybersecurity regulation across the jurisdiction. Predictive and preventive risk and management. AI will forecast risks related to the credit default, market volatility, the operational disputation. Banks will shift from reactive to proactive risk strategies. For example, identifying early warning signs or borrower distress using AI models. The fifth is AI-powered financial inclusion. AI will enable the access to a financial service for unbanked and underserved using alternative data sources like mobile usage, utility bills, and social behavior. Banks can offer credit to those without traditional credit history. Six is regulatory technology, RegTech, and explainable AI. AI will support bank in navigating complex compliance requirements through automated reporting and monitoring. Focus on the growth of explainable XAI, ensuring AI decisions are transparent and auditable. Regulators will increase the queries human in the loop system for critical decisions. Seventh is AI in sustainable and ESG banking, which is AI will help in analyze the track of environmental, social, and governance risk, which is ESG. Bank users will use AI to align the lending and investments with sustainable goals and climate risk disclosure. The eighth one is integration and emerging tech. AI will integrate with blockchain for smarter contract and fraud prevention, Internet of Things IoT for real-time asset monitoring, 5G for faster mobile banking interaction. Future banking will be convergence of AI, cloud, data analytics, and decentralized technology. Evolution of AI in governance. Bank will build ethical AI framework to ensure fairness, accountability, and transparency. Expect new governance board, committees, and detect roles like AI compliance officer. Human AI collaboration rather than just replacing humans, AI will augment banking professionals with smart insight and decision support. Relationship manager, financial advisor, and risk analyst will use AI tools to enhance customer service and performance. The conclusion is the future of AI in banking is intelligent, inclusive, secure, and deeply customer centric, while challenges remain the integration of AI with core banking operation promises a smarter, faster, and resilient financial ecosystem. Banks that embrace the responsibility AI adoption will lead to the next wave of financial innovation. So the future of AI in banking will bring more automation, personalized services, smarter fraud detection, AI based advisory, tech integration, retech growth, uh, and digital expansion, faster innovation. In short, AI will revolutionize the banking with automation, personalization, stronger security, and advanced technology, making banking more intelligent and customer centric. The fourth is AI in investment and trading of algorithm trading introduction. What is algorithmic trading? Algorithmic trading, also called as a algo trading and automated trading, involves using computer programs and algorithms to algorithms to execute financial market trade and high speed and volumes. When combined with artificial intelligence and machine learning, it becomes more adaptive, predictive, and autonomous. Let's see the role of AI in algorithmic trading. AI enhanced algorithmic trading by analyzing massive volumes of real-time and historical data, market data, identifying the complex pattern and trends, making faster and more accurate trading decisions, continuous learning, and improving strategic without human intervention. Let's see the key components. The first key component is data analysis and features extraction. AI analyzes data from multiple sources, price history, news, social media segments, sentiment, financial report, and even geopolitical trends. The second is predictive modeling. In machine learning, model predict is stock price movement, volatility, market segment, enter and exit points. The third is execution algorithms. AI optimizes the trade execution to minimize the slippage, reduce market impact, and maximize return. Strategy adaptation. Reinforcement learning allows the algorithm to adapt the strategies based on the changing market behavior in real time. Let's see the types of the AI based on trading strategies. Statistical arbitrage exploits price inefficiency between collateral assets. Momentum trading detects trends and capitalizes on upward or downward momentum. Market making provide liquidity by continuous quoting, buying or selling prices. Sentiment-based trading uses NLP, natural learning processing, to analyze the news headline, social media, and market sentiment to make trades. High frequency trading HFT executes thousands of trades per second using speed sensitive strategies. Let's see the benefit of the AI in algorithm trading. Speed and efficiency. Trades executed in milliseconds faster than any human. Emotion-free decision. AI operates without psychological biases like fear or greed. Accuracy or precision, real-time data analysis improves the decision making. Scalability handles the housing of security and markets simultaneously. Back testing and simulation algorithm can be tested on historical data before deployment. Challenges and risks. Overfitting machine learning model may perform well on historical data but fail in live trading. Black box risk. Difficulty in understanding how deep learning model arrives at decision. Flash crasher, uh, crashes. AI system can amplify market volatility under unusual conditions. Regulatory concern, need for the compliance with market rules and real-time auditability. Data dependency, poor quality data led to the inaccurate prediction and trading losses. Let's see the real-world example of the algorithmic trading. The first one is Goldman Sachs employs AI models for market making, risk analysis, and trade execution. Uh, Zerodha's Streak India allows a uh, retail investor to build algo strategic using a no-code AI-based platform. The future trends is explainable AI in trading, increased focus on transparency and interpretability of AI in decision, AI-powered ESD trading using AI to incorporate environmental, social, and governance data into a investment decision, retail AI tool, democratizing the access to algorithm trading via mobile app and robot trader. The AI is revolutionized investment and trading by making market more efficient, data-driven, and competitive. While it offers the immense potential, responsible use and regulatory oversight are crucial to ensure the stability, transparency, and fairness in financial markets. So in short, the algorithm trading leverage AI to make fast, accurate, and unbiased trading decision, transforming modern investment strategies. So the next slide is about high frequency trading and AI, which is HFT. What is HFT trading? High frequency trading. So high frequency trading is a form of algorithmic trading that involves executing thousands to millions of traders in microsecond or millisecond using complex algorithm to analyze multi-market and execute order at extremely high speed, profiting from very small prices movement across the financial instrument. The role of AI in high frequency trading is AI significantly enhance HFT by making it more intelligent, adaptive. So AI system can learn from market behavior in real time, make autonomous decisions based on the data, react faster and smarter than the traditional rules-based algorithms. How AI is used in HFT is by market prediction model. AI uses historical and real-time data to predict the short-term prices fluctuation. Techniques like machine learning, deep learning, reinforcement learning, signal detection. AI identifies the opportunities by spotting tiny inefficiency or arbitrage opportunity in milliseconds. For example, detecting a price discrepancy between two collateral assets on different exchange. Smart order routing. AI determines the optimal venue and timing or to execute a trade with a minimum latency and cost. Adjust strategy in real time based on order book depth and market volatility. Latency optimization. AI helps to reduce the time delay, latency in processing data and execution trade. Works with the specialized hardware with field programming gate array, which is FPGAs, and low latency network. Anomaly detection and risk management. AI detects the irregular trading pattern or flash crashes before they escalate, helps the firm manage real-time trading risk without manual intervention. Benefit of using AI in HFT is speed, efficiency, execute trades in microseconds faster than any human or traditional algo, provide profitability, profit from the price in inefficiency that exists only for the milliseconds. Scalability monitors and trades across a hundred of markets simultaneously. Autonomous learning learns and evolves trading strategy without being explicit reprogrammed. Challenges and risk is market volatility and amplification. AI-based HDFC can cause sudden market crashes. For example, flash crash of 2010. Black box nature, difficulty in understanding uh, how AI arrives at trading decision, lack of transparency, regulatory scrutiny. Regulatory like SEBI, SEC, and ESMA monitor HFT for market manipulation or unfair advantage. Data overload. AI system must processes the enormous data streams in their real time without error. The technology arms race, firms invest heavily in faster infrastructure, leading to inequality among market participation. For example, of firm using AI in SFT is Two Sigma, Jump Trading, DRW Trading, Citadel Security, Tower Research Capital. These firms employ advanced AI models and low latency network to stay ahead in the ultra competitive HFT space. The future trends of uh, HFT and AI is explainable AI for better regulatory compliance and trust. Quantum computing plus AI may further reduce latency and enhance prediction model. AI powered HFT by crypto trading, increasing use in highly volatile digital asset market. Ethical AI controls to ensure AI doesn't destabilize markets or manipulate trades. So AI has taken a high frequency trading to next level by enabling the ultra fast intelligence and adaptive trading strategy while it offers significant financial advantage. It is also requires a careful regulation, transparency, and risk management to ensure that market integrity is maintained. So the key benefit for the HFT was ultra fasting trading, instant pattern recognition, and improved profitability. Requires advanced tech for low latency execution. In short, AI powered HFT enables lightning fast, data driven trading for maximum efficiency and gain in dynamic market. So the next is AI for portfolio optimization. Portfolio optimization refers to the process of selecting the best mix of assets like stocks, bonds, mutual fund, etc. to achieve specific goals such as maximizing the returns, minimizing the risk, or balancing the books. Artificial intelligence enhance the process by using the advanced analytics, machine learning, and predictive modeling. Why use of AI in potential optimization? Trading portfolio optimization, for example, modern portfolio technology by Markowitz assumes a static input like expected return and standard deviation. However, financial markets are dynamic, noisy, and and data rich. AI overcomes these challenges by handling large real-time data, learning complex and non-linear relationships, adapting to change market challenges continuously. The how AI optimize their portfolio by data collection and analysis. AI collects vast amount of structured and unstructured data, which is price history, financial news, social media sentiment, macroeconomic indicator, risk and return prediction, machine learning model, for example, neural network, decision tree, predict expected return, volatility, uh, uh, correlation, allows better estimation of sharp ratio or value at risk. Asset allocation, AI determine the optimal weight of each asset in portfolio risk based on their user goals, risk tolerance, investment horizon. And the technique include the reinforcement learning learns optimal allocation strategy through trial and error. Genetic algorithm mimic natural selection to find the best asset mix. Deep learning captures the hidden pattern and non-linear dependency. Dynamic rebalancing AI can automatically adjust the portfolio weight in real time as market condition changes, avoids the human emotion-based decision, and improves the consistency. Personalization, AI customized portfolio based on the individual preferences, for example, like ESG goals, industry bias, for example, tech heavy or green portfolio, tax optimization. Let's see the benefit of the A- AI in portfolio optimization. The accuracy, better forecast to asset behavior, speed processes large data set in second, adaptability continuous improves through the learning, and objectivity is eliminates the human biases like overconfidence or herd mentality. Customization delivers a personalized investment strategy at scale. Real world example is BlackRock Adani Aladdin uses AI for risk analytics and assessment asset management. Wealthfront and Betterment, which is Robo Advisor, offer AI-based portfolio design to retail investor, and Quantum Connect and Quantum platform for AI-driven algorithmic portfolio creation. The challenges is black box nature, difficult to explain AI-driven portfolio decision to client or regulatories. Data quality issues, poor or biased data can lead to incorrect asset allocation. Overfitting AI model may perform well in back-tested but poorly in real market. Regulatory compliance need to ensure the fairness and transparency in AI recommendation. The future trend is explainable AI plus ESG integration, real-time portfolio optimization, integration with voice chat, and interface. AI-powered portfolio optimization marks a shift from traditional statistic investment model to a dynamic data-driven and personalized strategies. It empowers both the professional asset manager and individual investor to make smarter, faster, and more informed decisions while managing the risk and maximizing the return in the real time. So, in short, in AI enhance the investment risk management by offering a data-driven insight, real-time adaptation, proactivity, alerts, and for smarter and safer investing insight. The next is AI in investment risk analysis. The definition is AI in investment risk analysis refers to the use of machine learning, natural language processing, and data analytics to identify, measure, and manage the risk associated with the investment portfolios. It enables more accurate and real-time risk forecasting, detecting of the hidden threats, and adaptive risk management. Why use of AI in risk analysis? Traditional risk analysis relies on the fixed model like value at risk, standard deviation, and beta, which and assumes a normal and market behavior. No, assumes the normal market behavior may not capture the non-linear relationship, hidden or correlation, or real-time anomalies. AI has the overcome this limitation by analyzing the large, diverse, and dynamic dataset, detecting early signs of systematic risk, and learning and adapting to the market volatility. Key application of AI in investment risk analysis is market risk prediction. AI model predict price volatility, interest rate risk, or currency risk using historical data and real-time feed. Technique time series forecasting, deep learning, LSTM networks, credit risk assessment, AI access the default probability of borrower on bond or bond issuer using transaction history, alternative data, for example, social media, utility bills, financial statements. Third is portfolio risk analysis. AI evaluates the correlation, concentration risk, and asset diversification. Stimulates various scenarios, for example, interest rates like high geopolitical crisis, to test the portfolio resilience. Sentiment and news, analysis is AI uses NLP to process the news articles, financial reports, and social media to gauge market sentiment, flags risks such as negative company news, market panic, industry downgrades. Industry downgrades, real-time risk monitoring is AI track portfolio 24 by 7 and send alert when risk thresholds are breached, used in hedge fund, mutual fund, and robo-advisory. Scenarios analysis and stress testing. AI simulates the extreme market condition to allow how the portfolio would perform, more dynamic system, that dynamic than statistic stress and testing. Fraud and anomaly detection. AI identifies unusual trading behavior or suspicious activity that could be indicate insider trading, pump and dump scheme, or manipulation. The benefit of using AI in risk analysis is speed and scale, accuracy, have a early warning systems, customization, continuous learning. The challenges they face is model transparency, data quality issues, overfitting risk, and regulatory compliance. Real world example is BlackRock Aladdin, Bloomberg Terminal AI tools, and JP Morgan Coin. The future outlook is explainable AI, AI powered ESG risk analysis, integration with blockchain and IoT, personalized risk engine. AI is a transforming investment risk analysis from the reactive static function into a proactive, real-time, and intelligent data system by identifying the subtle pattern and anticipating shock and continuous learning. AI helps the investor to institution make more informed and resilient financial decisions. So the next slide is about sentiment analysis for market trends. Sentiment analysis is also called as an opinion mining, is the use of natural language processing and AI to analyze the textual data like news article, social media post, analytics reports to determine the emotional tone, positive, negative, or neutral, toward companies, sectors, or overall market. In finance, it helps to predict the market trends by capturing the collective mood of the investors and public. Why sentiment is financial in financial matters market. um, Markets are driven not just by the fundamental but also by the investor for psychology. Sudden surge in optimizing or panic can cause a major price move often for before a financial data reflects the change. Sentiment analysis offer a leading indicator of potential market direction. How AI performs sentiment analysis by collecting data from news sites, financial blogs or forms, uh, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, earning call, transcript, regulatory filings, natural language processing. They use keywords like, for example, profit warning, bullish, lawsuit, tone from positive, negative, or neutral, context or emotion of fear, excitement, or uncertainty. Third is sentiment scoring, which assigns a numerical score to each piece of context. Like example, plus 0.9 is very positive and minus 0.7 is strongly negative, and zero point 0.0 is neutral. Which aggregate to calculate the overall segment for the stock or sector of index. Trend detection is sentiment over time is analyzed due to shift in market mood, potential price movement, emerging risk and opportunity. Application of sentimental analysis in market trends prediction is stock price prediction, volatility forecasting, sector rotation strategy, event impact analysis, portfolio hedging. Benefit of the sentiment analysis in finance is real-time market insight on uncover hidden signals, behavioral financial integration, automated monitoring. The challenges they were faced by sarcasm and slang detection, fake news and spam, data noise, language and cultural context. Example of tools and platform is Bloomberg, Terminal Social Velocity, Thomson Reuters, Market Psych Indice, StockTwist AI Sentiment Tracker, Datamin, Exxon, and Staples. Case study example is during the Reddit or GameStop saga in 2001. The sentiment of analysis to detect a surge in bullish sentiment on Reddit Wall Street bets forum days before the GME slice exploded. Uh, Traditional analysts may miss the trend, but AI sentiment trackers caught it early. The future trend is multimodal sentiment analysis, integrating into a robo-advisor, sentiment-driven ETFs. The conclusion of the sentiment analysis is a powerful AI tool that offers deep insight into a market psychology and investor behavior. By qualifying the mood of the market in real time, it helps the investor to anticipate the trend, manage risk, and seize the opportunity often before a traditional data reflects the changes. The next is quantitative finance and AI. Finance and AI. Quantitative finance is a field that uses a mathematical model, statistical, and computational tools to understand the financial market and make investment decisions. It involves a derivative pricing, for example, Black uh, Scholes model, uh, portfolio optimization, risk management, statistical arbitrage, algorithm training. The role of AI in quantitative finance is to enhance the automation, complex calculation, discovering hidden patterns in big data, adapting to changing market dynamics, improve decision making with the real-time insight. Uh, it it complements the traditional quantitative method by using machine learning and deep learning to create a dynamic and predictive model. The key application of AI in quantitative finance is price prediction and forecasting. Techniques for recurrent neural network is RNN and random forest. Volatility modeling, for example, sentiment, earning calls, geopolitical events, factors modeling, and smart beta identifies new alpha generating factors beyond the value, momentum, and size. For example, PCA clustering. Fourth is portfolio optimization. Fifth is option pricing, and quantitative trading strategies, uh, which involves the strategy over time without human input. Risk management and stress testing. Benefit of AI in quantitative finance is improved accuracy, adaptability, scalability, automation, new insight generation. Challenges they faced was overfitting, explainability, data quality, regulatory issues. The tools and platform used was programming languages, which is Python, R, uh, libraries, data sources, cloud performance, platforms. Real world examples was uh, Two Sigma, Morgan Stanley, Numerai. Future of quant finance is explainable AI argument analyst, quantum AI in finance, integration of ESG and alternative data. The AI is revolutionized quantitative finance by enhancing predictive power, adaptability, and efficiency in financial modeling and trading. It does not replace the traditional quant method by augments them and providing a competitive edge in a data-driven financial world. So the next is hedge fund use and AI. Hedge fund an investment firm that seeks high return by using sophisticated strategy including leverage, derivatives, short selling, and arbitrage. In recent years, many hedge funds have adopted artificial intelligence to gain an edge in trade execution, and risk management. AI helps hedge fund uncover the hidden market signal, automate the strategy, and adapt to the real-time condition. The key areas where hedge fund uses AI is alpha generation is predicting the market opportunities, which is machine learning models to forecast the price volatility and market movement, natural language processing, alternative data. The second is algorithmic and high frequency trading. Algorithmic and frequency trading. The hedge fund uses AI for high speed and automated trading uh, strategies to execute the thousands of traders in microsecond order executions by reducing slippage and front running risk, reinforcement learning. Third is portfolio optimization. AI helps in selecting and adjusting portfolio based on real-time market data, predicted risk return trade-off, and changing investor preferences. AI model continually rebalance the portfolio to improve the performance or reduce the drawdown. The fourth is risk management. AI helps the hedge fund detect the manage and risk proactively. The fifth is sentiment analysis and behavioral finance. Uh, AI tools access the market mood and investor behavior by mining text from financial news, Reddit, Twitter, forums, or regulatory filings. filings, back testing, and modular development. AI accelerates the design and testing of a trading strategy using historical data. Example of hedge using AI is Two Sigma Investment employs AI to analyze structured and unstructured data. Numerai, a hedge fund that sources AI models from global data scientists. Advantages of AI in hedge fund is it is speed, it has speed, it has scale, accuracy, and innovation. The challenges were are model overfitting, data quality, lack of explainability, regulatory scrutiny. Future outlooks is AI as a service for hedge, explainable AI, ethical AI use, collaboration and quants and data. AI is reshaping the hedge fund industry by providing intelligence, real-time tools for decision making, trading, and risk analysis. Hedge fund that effectively integrate AI into a strategy, they are better positioned to outperform the market while managing risk and more efficiently. So the last topic for the this session is robo advisory and AI powered platform. Like how robo advisory, how they work. Like what is a robo advisory? Robo advisory are AI driven digital platform that provide automated algorithm based financial planning and investment management services within a minimal human intervention. They use artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze the investor profiles and deliver personalized investment solutions, often at a lower cost than traditional financial advisor. How robo advisory work is client profiling. They user complete an online questionnaire about risk tolerance, financial goals, example retirement, home purchase, investment horizon, income and asset, portfolio recommendation. Based on the input, AI generated a customized AI allocation using models like modern portfolio theory, goal based investing portfolio typically include ETF, index fund, bonds, and stocks. Automatic rebalancing is robo-advisory monitor market changes that automatically rebalance the portfolio to maintain the desired return profile. Tax optimization for some platforms uses AI for tax loss harvesting, selling as asset or at a loss of offset and taxable gain. Continuous monitoring. AI monitors the user's portfolio and financial goals in real time, making suggestions or update as needed. Benefit of robo-advisor is low cost, reduce the fees often from 0.25% to 0.50% annually. Accessibility, low minimum investment required, ideal for new investor, speed, convenience, and risk and convenience and quick account setup and 24/7 service. Personalization tailored to an individual financial need and goals, emotion free investing and remove the human emotional biases from decision making. Scalability can serve millions of users simultaneously. Limitation is lack of human touch. Some investor may still prefer human financial advisor for emotional or complex decision. Limited customization. Most of the robo advisor offer a preset portfolio with limited flexibility and dependence of algorithms. Performance is only as good as the underlying AI model. Popular robo advisor platform is Betterment USA, Wealthfront is USA, and Upstox or 5 Paisa Robo Advisory is in India. Nutmeg in UK, and Grow and Zerodha Veracity India. Education or investing tools with robo features. AI in robo advisory is natural learning processing is chatbot for answering financial queries. Predicting analytics is forecasting future investment needs and market trends. And machine learning is continual learning from the user behavior and market data to improve the portfolio strategy. Behavioral insight is detecting user hesitation or panic to recommend the adjustment. Future of robo-advisory is hyper-personalization using real-time data, voice-enabled financial assistant, AI-integrated retirement planning and insurance, hybrid model, and combining human advisory plus AI tools, integration with ESG investing for sustainability-focused portfolio. Conclusion of the robo-advisory are transforming the wealth management landscape by making the investment more affordable, intelligent, and accessible. Backed by AI, they empower the individual, especially millennials and first-time investors, to take control of their financial future with the ease and confidence.